Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. We are currently in the car and I'm so sorry if I'm kind of whispering because Paris in the back is sleeping. But we are now in Braybrook, guys. And pardon my hair because I just finished a shower and I didn't brush my hair, so it looks crazy. But the reason why we're here, guys, is that we're getting Mimi's. What's this? We're getting Mimi's phone fixed, guys. So this was my phone, last year, and then this is iPhone 7 Plus. Have a look. As you can see, there were some cracks on the screen, and then when I upgraded to iPhone 8 Plus, which is the one that I'm using now, I decided to give it to my sister because she deserves it. Kita rin mahimo sa to. So my sister is going home to the Philippines on the technically 30th of January because we have to be there, 10 o'clock at night at the airport because her flight is on the 31st and 1 a.m. Yeah, 1 a.m. But yeah, so before she goes home, I want to get the phone fixed so everything is fine when she goes home, guys. That's how much I love her.
And I love you too.
Anyways, so we've searched online, particularly Facebook Marketplace, guys, for places who can fix the screen. There are actually lots of places. Some of them they charge $90, $100. And this is the iPhone 7 Plus, and this one that we are going to now, he's charging $70, so I think that's a really good price, hence we're here, guys. So I didn't realize it's actually a home. As you can see, that one, because it's raining outside, it's boring. But yeah, that house there, that's the house that we're going to. Paris is sleeping, so I'm gonna leave Mimi here in Paris and I'll just go in by myself. I'll be fine. Fingers crossed. I'll come out. Okay. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in there now, and I checked their Facebook page and everything. They are legit, guys. So there's lots of reviews, and they're all positive reviews as well. So they're stating that fixing the screen will only take them 15 minutes, and also they have lifetime warranty. So if ever Mimi comes back in the future, then it's still covered with the warranty. And yeah, for the price, it's not bad. So I'm gonna go there now, guys, because it's getting late. It's currently 6 o'clock in the evening, 6:17 to be exact. So yeah, I've got the phone now. This is the before. That's the money. Yeah, and yeah, see you again soon, guys. Bye. I am wet. So I just gave the phone to him, guys, and he said just drive near his driveway, and he said 10 minutes, guys. That would be really quick. But yeah, he said 10 minutes and he'll be finished, and then he'll just give it back to me. So
I miss my phone
already. Adik siya cellphone, guys, so gasping na pila pa ka seconds wala sa yung phone. Oh god, guys, my glass is full of water. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna drive now. Yeah, I'm just gonna drive now, and as if layo ka drive na naman yung guys sa atbang. Hawirin na lang ako.
Wait. Okay, so after a long drive, very long drive, guys, we arrived at our destination. It's good. My bum hurts.
Layo pa. Layo ka, you guys. Nalagyan kailangan lagyanan. I think they too. I think they fix everything.
Pero kailang balay guys.
Hala, wala to siya sukli. Karang naman.
Iyan ang problema. Ulan. Tako kayang balay guys. Mga uray rin cellphone.
Uy, ay, ray.
Ano ni mo te?
Guys, may bunog ang ulan o may baha. May bundak ang ulan o may baha. May bundak ang ulan o may baha. Okay, sakit mo kanta mo? Alam sa Diyos.
Kabalwa na.
Sino nagbuhat ugar ka?
So much.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Wow. Okay, spit.
Basa mo na akong phone.
Kita na to sa inyo ang guys,
Like niya.
fresh like brand new guys, oh. Game sa kasunod na ba? So that's what it looks like now, guys. Big option. Wait.
I-open daw.
What I get you guys, brand new na siya guys. Wow, that was really good. What time is it now? It's even less than 10 minutes. Oh, this oh. Very. Samok sa ni ulan ulit the bida.
Open ang ini. Sa ni work.
Milkshake. Wow, it looks so nice, guys. Again. Like seriously, guys, less than 10 minutes. It was really good money. For like $70.
I know guys,
And less than, yeah, mag-change career na dyan niya, guys. Grabe.
Thank you, te.
Like, you're welcome. It's okay. So that's it, guys. We didn't have to wait so long. It was really quick, which is good. Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna go next?
Kmart.
We're gonna go to Kmart or what?
Course?
Ano kita itong palitan?
Pen. And apple.
Apple pen. Di pen itong hat.
Oh,
Di ba sa magamit si hat si Paris yung mag-hat kayo? Di ba
Oh,
siya
pen
magawas?
na lang. O sa course na lang diya sa briefo para tulong na sa Papa Bear.
Papa Bear, yung mga doon naman Papa Bear.
Seven
Masarap
pa man.
bigiri. Uy, alas ay si Medyo man ang Papa Bear. Anyways, guys,
Nagpaubos pa to silang blind si Karunti.
magsinumbaga mo karon din guys.
Sa course na
Baye,
tayo.
sa course na lang mi guys. Oy, kay magpalit ko kuan marker para sa tawag ani sa Paris starting childcare tomorrow, and we have to mark what's the word? Name everything.
In Paris things.
Yeah. So Paris's stuff. You know, we have to put her name all over them, so no one will tag them. And then yeah, we need a small, you know, marker. And then maybe we'll just get something to eat, like
Para pa niyo.
dinner.
Suganog na.
Yes, and then we might go get. If the Pandesal place is still open, guys, we're gonna go get the Pandesal again, guys. Favorite. Nahurot tong baledo sa Pandesal, guys. Eh. Nana mi Jess, guys, so eh. Baka pati may karog isa ka Dosenang. Kaya nana mi Jess.
Just.
Anyways, see you soon, guys. Bye. Guess what, guys? We're in the same spot like we were the other day. We are getting Pandesal again because we realized, guys, it's raining and it's a bit cold, so it'll be perfect for coffee and hot Pandesal, guys. So hopefully they've got Pandesal left because it's already 6:40 at night. It's good to stay close at 8 o'clock too, guys. Makin lahat para lang sa Pandesal.
Only hat.
Ala, takan lang yun.
Tris na lang natin.
Ilang gipahurot na lang? Guys, Pandesal mo diya, guys. Piso lang. Na pa may Spanish.
Only hat. Wala na hat. First rock.
May hot fresh siya.
Yeah.
Guys.
English siya yan, guys. Sakit na dugang.
Nag-English ba siguro ka?
English yun na siya tingnan nga.
Hindi siya, tsaka itong bae. Bisaya itong bae. Itong isang Tagalog, itong niingan, no hot, just warm. Siya pagkaroon, no hot, just fresh. At least, dili hot, pero fresh. Bakit ba?
Guys, umanggahin na po niya siya guys. Kaya nangarot.
Dalo naman sa worth eh. Hindi pa baon mo kung pare si Chante.
Nakaligo ka na ba sa dagat ng basura?
Ngayon to, ito ang tuno. Nagpasko ka na ba sa gitna ng kalsada?
Yan, kasi sa kang i-play ganyan.
Wala tangod. Masalod. Ay, malagyan. Nakaligo ka na ba sa dagat ng basura? Nagpasko ka na ba sa gitna ng kalsada? Yan ang tanong.
Kaya gusto nila may guys. Itong mga kanta ba sa mga katigwangan. Yan ang mga years. Nakadumdum ko itong kantahan ko ng mga maugwaan. Sinong
Lalo ko yan. Repeat ko lang yung vlog.
Sino? Okay ba? Sino? Ang ganda ba? Nagbuhat og arka. Sino? Nagbuhat og arka. Sino?
Ako ka na po nanay.
Nagbuhat og arka. Kay gisugo man sa Diyos. May bundak ang ulan o may baha. Bundak ang ulan o may baha. Nga naman to, na-influence siya guys. Oh. Ayun rin, duman kay katukang Manivillar sa una nga pang-kampanya nga song ba?
Nga, basta mo hilak mo manghod. Dilibin mo yung mga kantawan. May ilum din siya sa duyan. Nakaligo. Ano ito siya? Nakaligo ka na ba sa dagat ng basura? Nagpasko ka na ba sa gitna ng kalsada?
Yan ang tanong namin.
Tuloy tabang, tuloy. Tabang isa sa amin. Alaman mo na bang mapapag-aral ka na? Tutulungan tayo para magkatrabaho. At ang kanyang plano, magkabahay tayo.
Uy!
Si Bilyara, amo ba nang i-edit guys? Kaya magising-ising man ito among bugoy kung i-edit na. Si Dudong ang tunay na mahirap.
Tinood yun.
Si Dudong ang tunay na may malasakit.
Hindi ka naman mo.
Si Dudong ang may kakayanan at gumawa ng sariling pangalan. Dudong isin ang magtatapos ng ating kahirapan.
Huwag ganyan kitapos ng kahirapan guys. Mahirap ang gapon magkaroon.
Magaling Spanish gusto? Pwede ka pitit ha? Hindi ka bili. At pag binili tingin mandala na pitit.
Ano muli ka? Libre. Tulog pa mong bugay guys ha? Di mag-nap. Tulog.
Hindi nga naman ang child care tinga. Hindi siya matulog. Isa ka sa kasi. Game.
Ngit baka
Ignorante. Alpay double. But I'll see you later.
Guys, ito na guys. It's getting late. We're gonna go to Safeway to grab something for dinner. I'll see you all again guys when we get home. Okay? Bye! We're home! And Tita is currently preparing for dinner. We are making bihon. Bakit tubig na?
mag-init ako.
So, napatay rice?
Mag-rice pa kami? Ay, baon ni mama. Kanang, pagwan din na itong bihon, ti, pansit bihon.
Sakto na ni
Tisuning ba?
Saan mo to?
Tanging ininit Japon.
It's cooked. Oh. Yeah. I got it here. Dinner is ready, guys. Thank you, Tita, for cooking. But yeah, we're gonna have dinner now, guys. And that's about it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. And also, guys, please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.